Today I have with me 2-year-old pit bull mix Lainey. Lainey struggles with severe aggression towards people and other dogs. Her parents don't feel comfortable taking her out on neighborhood walks, going to hardware stores, pet-friendly areas. Lainey will launch herself at people, other dogs. Her owners have muzzle trained her. Unfortunately, this really limits the freedom Lainey can have in her home and exercise-wise. While she was here with us, we taught her a beautiful heel command, worked primarily on socialization and neutrality, and really built up her confidence around distractions, specifically people. Built her into a nice neutral companion.
Yeah.